Hey guys, welcome back to our vegan kitchen. I was so inspired by yesterday's recipe for fresh homemade flour tortillas that I decided to make another recipe video today, including the fresh homemade flour tortillas. So we have tasted an amazing recipe that we're trying to dupe or duplicate. So this is for falafel hummus wraps. It's by a brand called TaDah, and they used to have them at our health food store, and we can't find them anymore.
We were obsessed with them, and then they took them away.
We're doing this more out of necessity than of wanting to like make them ourselves, because we would totally buy them. But we can't, so we have to do this ourselves. So this is what I'm supposing is in the recipe. And TaDah, if you're out there watching, let us know.
Send us some wraps.
We're desperate. All right, we can't find them anywhere. So we've got the fresh homemade flour tortillas. We're gonna take one of these, and first of all, we're going to mix a little bit of tahini with some lemon juice. This is gonna be our dressing for the wraps, but the dressing's going on the inside.
It's all going on the inside.
This is all self-contained. It's a real scuba, self-contained underwater hummus wrap. We've also got some roasted pine nut hummus. Not necessarily what's in the falafel wrap, but it was on sale and I said I love pine nuts. I love you, pine nuts. And over here, I've air fried some Boca Chipotle falafel bites, just because that's what I had in the freezer, and it's a falafel. So any falafel will do. So we're gonna start by putting some of the, what do you call this? Lemony tahini?
Yeah.
Lemon tahini. We're then going to follow it up with some of the pine nut hummus.
I remember when I used to eat these, my face would get really hot. I think it was from the tahini.
In a good way.
But like, it was worth it.
It's got plenty of this on here. We're going to put like 3 of these Chipotle falafels on here. Right?
I feel like you should mash them a little bit.
Yeah. There you think we
go.
should do 4? Or do you think 3 is enough?
I don't know. I think 3 is enough.
Okay. So now we're going to roll it. Roll it on the river. I know, that's not the words. Oh, ooh. Yes. That's for me. Let's get a knife. Let's trim it up. Oh, yeah.
Yes.
There we go. Let's plate it, and then we'll be tasting it. This is one of those vegan in a hurry recipes. It takes no time at all if you have the fresh homemade flour tortillas on hand and all the other stuff. All right, Maddie has been dreaming about these for such a long time. It's been over a year, I think, at least, since we've had these. Yeah.
I think it's way more than that.
So let's see what she thinks.
It smells a little different. We'll see.
Well, in all fairness, they use 100% whole wheat wrapper, but I think ours can pass for it.
You know what? That's not like that far off.
Yeah. It's close, right? Does it need more lemon? Does it need more hummus?
I think a little more lemon in the tahini.
Okay. Fair enough.
That's pretty good.
All right. Well, I hope you enjoy.
I will.
We're going to chow down on these now because we're starving as usual. It's lunchtime here.
We're going to watch Dancing Queen on Netflix.
And then we're going to take our dog to the vet.
It's just a checkup.
It's a tune-up. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching. I hope you try this recipe. Maddie said it's really good.
It's pretty good. It's not exactly the same, but
it's just as.
Good. Yeah.
Just as. All right. Subscribe for more. And if you're in a hurry, do it. Do it. And until next time, much love.